Hello guys, and welcome to my lockpicking journey. This is my first video. So this channel is not a professional picking locks, being very educational. This is me, a noob, who is starting my lockpicking journey right here, right now. If you're looking for someone who does this professionally, I will leave some links down below to people that are very skilled at this. This right here is me learning how to lockpick and you watching me learn. So I bought this starters kit. Most starters kits look roughly the same and they have these things in here in any way or form or so they can be the picks can vary a bit in the kits, but this is the basic start kit that you would find. My kit does not have a name per se. It's only called Transparent Practice Padlock Locksmith Puzzle Picking Picklock. It's just bought from a vendor, a local vendor, probably imported from China, therefore it not having a model name. Maybe it has, but it's nothing specified that I can find about this specific model, but look for the cheapest one and this is something that you will find. So in here there are a few different things. First of all, we have our lock picks right here. We have the two most regular ones that you probably recognize. We have one a little beefier, and then we have two half diamond picks. We also got some rakes. So I've got 5 rakes that looks roughly the same, 2 with the pins or what you want to call them on the upper side, 3 with both up and down, and 1 ball rake. Looks like a little snowman, you could say. There are also ball rakes with only 1 ball or 3, but this is the most basic ones. And we have a broken key extractor tool. We also have 3 tools for tensioning or tensioning tools. This one is the one you see most times, is the most regular one. This one is a bit wider for wider keyways, and this one is for those round keys and keyways. I can't think of the name right now, but when the key is round and not straight, there is no way to tension on the upside or downside. You have to tension around. So that is when this comes in handy. You get a fake leather pouch, and you get a transparent practice lock. And this is what we're going to be picking today. We're going to be raking it, and we're going to be picking it. So let's get started with that. So this is what the lock looks like. It's a 6-pin lock, and you can see the springs, you can see the driver pins, and the lock pins are inside. This shackle is made out of plastic. Since it's just a practice lock, they're trying to keep the cost down. The body is in acrylic, I would think, and you get 2 keys for the lock as well. So you can start with opening the lock with the key, just so you can see that it works. No shenanigans. Come on. Some lock noob can even get the key out. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So insert the key. I can show you what it looks like when you insert the key. So the pins are at different heights now. When I insert the key, all the pins are aligned at a certain point. You twist the key, the lock pops open, shwidum shwidang, and we have an open lock. So if we close this, remove the key, it is very locked. So let's start with raking this lock. So I've been playing around with this lock a little bit. So the I think it was 3 and 4 doesn't do anything, and the rest do the job, but I don't know. I haven't quite figured out the skill of feeling exactly which pins are binding, and it doesn't make that much sound, not to me at least. So we are going to be inserting our tensioning tool, putting some tension on it. I'm going to use this rake. Found this to be the best for this lock, and we're going to insert it. We're going to try to insert it. We'll insert it all the way in. And when raking, it's only you go up and down and you go out and in. So we're going to do that now. And the lock pops open. So that's raking for you. Let's look into picking the lock. Closed. And then we're going to be inserting the tensioning tool once again. There we go. I had it upside down because I was looking another way. You see, I'm new to this stuff. You're gonna have to give me a break. So when picking, see if I can show this. When picking, you use one of these tools, and you go every pin one by one and keep the tension. So you insert the pin, the pick, and you go on. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, little movement on the core on 3. Sorry, you can see. A little bit on 4. 5 gives you a little bit as well. Six was a little bit movement on the core. Go back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. We got movement on the core as well. Nothing on 3, 4, 5. And 6 is binding, and the lock is open. So those are the 2 ways you can pick one of these locks. A 6-pin regular lock. It has a fancier name. I don't know the name of it, unfortunately, because this is so new. And you can rake it and you can pick it. Same basic principle goes for all of these locks. This one does not have any false gates or anything like that, so it's a very easy practice lock. As you get into bigger, more expensive, higher end stuff, you're gonna run into more trouble. But this one, fairly easy. And if you like this video, would like to follow me on my lock picking journey, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.